This is a pretty big moment. It's been an exhausting journey. It's been over 5.5 years, starting from a naff, pretty ugly start, but I guess two blokes that just had a pretty good idea, but no idea of how the hell they were going to do it. And it's taken a mammoth effort. It's taken every single person at basis, both here now and previous, to get us to where we're at today. I think we've finally got to a point where we are at the start line. It's pretty daunting, but it's certainly exciting.
We've been stuck in this purgatory of product development and we haven't been able to see the light of being in market. I really hope we get to experience the change in velocity, the change in learning, and honestly, the change in momentum that should come over the next couple of weeks or couple of months.